Welcome to EMGateway tutorials. During this webcast, we will cover how to create a posting as an issuer using your EMGateway account. Of course, you will first need to log into your EMGateway issuer account. Upon entering your issuer account, your first view will be your issuer dashboard. You will see your company profile information, along with your profile logo and image. Go to Issuer Investment Postings. On the top right-hand portion of your screen, you will see the Create New Investment Posting option. Click on this. First question you're going to be asked is, who is selling your investment posting? Your company is either selling it themselves or through your own EMD, or you have an EMD that is selling it on your behalf. Select the appropriate EMD, yours or others, to sell your investment posting. You can always select multiple EMDs. This will take you to a list view of the EMDs that you have selected to sell the investment posting. Once you have scanned the list of selected EMDs, you can then confirm list and continue to investment posting. Now you arrive at the investment posting details page. You will see here by the check mark that the first step of your investment posting was successfully created. Now you need to dive into the details of the actual investment posting. Create the title of your posting. Then you'll want to upload an image or logo for your posting. This is the image that the consumers, issuers, and EMDs will see immediately affiliated with the investment posting. This space will most likely be used to display the company or project logo. Now comes one of the most important portions of the investment posting, the description. This is what potential investors and those viewing the posting will be seeing. This is specific to what makes this posting unique, desirable, and valuable as a potential investment. You want to give yourself ample time to represent this posting in a clear and concise manner in the 1,200 characters provided. Keep in mind that you are able to edit and update posting description information at your leisure. Next comes the general disclaimer. This is a space to insert your legal script and/or disclaimer. Next, you choose an industry type. In some cases, the industry type will have a subcategory that further specifies the investment posting. You will want to be as specific as possible in each area so that your posting is most accurately viewed using search criteria. Should your investment posting fall under the other category, please include the industry type under which your investment posting most closely falls. Additional industry options will be added as deemed necessary through future versions of EMGateway. Your next assignment is looking into the specifics of the posting. Estimated length of the investment, 1 to 3 years, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and ongoing, meaning that there is no end date. Frequency of payments. This indicates the time periods when payments will be distributed to investors, annually end of investment period, monthly, quarterly, or other. If applicable, you may include a link to the offering memorandum. You can insert the digital link to your OM in the space provided. Keep in mind that consumers interested in accessing this offering memorandum will be required to adhere to compliance with industry standards. The research report option. In many cases, a third-party report on the due diligence of the investment posting has been completed. This gives you a space to provide the link to any internal or third-party analysis regarding your investment posting. The project location is available as a way of indicating specific details should your investment posting have a physical location. Should your posting not adhere to this option, you may select No for a physical location, or choose to enter the location of the head office or corporate location of the posting company. In future versions of EMGateway, you will find options for multiple physical locations, as some projects represent multiple geographic locations within one investment posting. Should your project have a physical location, you may now enter the details below. Once you have added your project location details, the Bing map will be auto-populated. Should the icon not accurately represent your project location, please drag the icon to the most accurate representation of said investment posting's physical location. Once your project location details have been completed, you may save and go to the next step. Next, you will tackle the investment details. In every investment, there will be a minimum amount that an investor may invest. In some cases, you may also wish to include a maximum investment. For the purpose of this sample posting, we will not denote a maximum investment. You may also choose to add an increment amount that your consumer may be willing to invest after the initial minimum investment has been reached. The maturity date. Should you choose a set date, you will be prompted with a calendar view that will allow you to select a specific date of maturity. The trailer rate is available in percentage increments if applicable. Now you may denote the minimum and maximum raise amount. This gives potential investors full transparent details into the capital requirements of the project. Please do not use commas in your numbers. Now you may define the investment account. You are able to indicate multiple investment account options, should you so choose. Again, should you require, use Other. Trust account partners. The available option represents the major account partners available. You may identify one or other account partners that you would like to indicate as affiliated with the issuer. Type of investment payment. How are your investors going to get paid? You are given several options. You must choose one. Type of securities issued. Indicate the applicable options from the pull-down menu or add appropriate Other. Typically, as an exempt market product, you will likely utilize one or more exemptions. Please indicate as many of the exemptions that apply. Pertinent project dates. There are no mandatory fields, but allowing you to provide potential investors with additional information regarding the investment. The project start date. When do you anticipate that the project will start? This gives you an opportunity to add in disclaimers and/or additional comments and details regarding the project and pertaining to project dates. Anticipated project end date and investment closing dates. Keep in mind that these may be the same date. Feel free to indicate. Restrictions. This space will give you an opportunity to provide any restriction information, including, but not limited to, the posting being available in Canada only. Again, you will have 1,200 characters to denote any restriction details. Sometimes you may choose to add resale restrictions to your investment posting. You may select as many options as desired. Should you choose to select resale restrictions, you will be required to provide details regarding the redemption availability. Save and go to Next Step. This will now take you to additional resources. Here you may add up to 12 photos. Keep in mind they must be up to 80 kilobytes. To ensure highest quality representation for your project, please ensure that photos meet the size requirements. Here you are able to add video links, screencasts, web links, etc. You're almost done. Save and go to Next Step. This will now take you to the Events and Seminars page. This gives you an opportunity to connect potential investors, issuers, and EMDs with relevant seminars and events that are affiliated with your project posting. You may log in later to add future events to this posting. Preview posting. Once you have completed all of the steps to create your investment posting, you will now have an opportunity to review all of your information and preview your posting as it will appear on the EMGateway website. Once you have completely reviewed your posting preview, you will have an opportunity to save your investment posting as a PDF file. Last step, you will now submit the posting for approval. This will submit your posting information to the chosen EMDs. Once your posting has been successfully submitted, you will then receive confirmation that your posting has been submitted for approval. Your posting will still be filed under Issuer Investment Postings, but the status of the posting will now be waiting on approval. In our next screencast, we will look at the EMD side of the interface, when they receive the posting on their side of the EMGateway system, and deciding whether or not they're going to approve the posting, hold the posting, or decline the posting. It is important to know that if you represent your own EMD or use another EMD, the posting will not be live on the system until at least one EMD has approved the posting, suggesting that they are ready and prepared to sell your investment posting. Thanks for watching EMTV.